So in this video, I'm going to show you the most versatile bit of gym kit, getting even more versatile. I'm going to turn the belt squat into a hack squat. Let's get into it. Hey guys, Angus here, and this is my belt squat design that I posted up in another video. I'm going to turn it into a hack squat. So what I've done is I've got it on this strip. It could be on a rack instead, but it's on this wall-mounted strip. Those are the pins. It's upside down. Because I also turned it into GHD, that's in another video, but this one's going to be about turning it into hack squat. So what we need a couple of components. We need a dip station that's the same size as the post. These things are both from Mirafit. We're going to put that on here. This is a 2-inch pipe with a hole drilled through it there, and we need this. This might be a wee bit fiddly to get in. So that's the hole lined up there. We're gonna put this pin through. This might be a bit of a nightmare. No, that went in nicely. So this is the basic hack squat design. You might want something to sit on. You can put your shoulder on there. You could have a little pad on there. And you want to lean into this and hack squat up. And those will catch you on the floor. You can load the weight on here, or you can load it on this pin. If you have one of these fancy attachments, this one's from ATX. In the UK, you get this from the Gym Professor in Bristol. You can slide this on. I like to use this box. Sit your stuff in. If you want, get rid of the box. You can go in the way as well. Got any questions, drop them in the comments below, just a short one. Check you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.